I'm Daiki Natori. Today I'll show you how to make delicious okonomiyaki. If you're interested in it, let's try it. Then let's start. At first, see if you are full. After that, mix whole and broth, egg, tenkatsu, yam, dried, and shrimp. And mix it. Yes, it is okay. After mix the butter, cut the cabbage and the pork. And cut the pork. After cut the pork, add salt and pepper on the pork. Mix cabbage and okonomiyaki butter. After mix the cabbage, pour the oil into the pan and heat up the oil to 200 degrees. Heat up the oil to 200 degrees. Pour the okonomiyaki batter into a round cake shape in the center of the pan. And cook the pancake for 3 or 4 minutes until the bottom is light brown. After 3 or 4 minutes, put pork on the okonomiyaki and flip over the okonomiyaki. Wait for 3 or 4 minutes. After 3 or 4 minutes, flip over once again and cook the pancake for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, remove the okonomiyaki from the pan. At last, add okonomiyaki sauce. And mayonnaise. And seaweed. And at last, add the bonito flakes. So, let's eat it. it's so delicious. So if you like this video, you should try it. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time.